Hello friends, this is a video to help you how to install iGo offline NAS in Android Stereo. You can see this is download link. Download here. Download. You can see download here. After downloading finish, you will get a package. The package is North America iGo Map 2018. Then you need to unzip this package. You will get a file. You can see file here. Then put this file to your USB disk from computer. This is the hard disk with the iGo Map file. Connect it to the USB port. You can see external storage install. Go to File Manager, USB. Find the iGo Map file. North America iGo Map 2018. Open it. See this APK. Install. App installed. Done. You can see iGo Map has installed in the head unit. Download finish. When you're using the offline NAS, please connect the GPS antenna to the GPS port at the back of joint head unit. GPS antenna. iGo Map interface. There are many settings here. Settings, skin settings, so many. You can choose voice language here. Voice language.
Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
Have a nice trip. Drive carefully.
Buen viaje. Conduzca con cuidado.